Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're down Shady Camp, doing a bit of fishing, overnight fishing on the boat. So we're going to be sleeping on this bad boy tonight, and what a beast it is. Amazing stubby craft, going to be awesome. I hope you come along and join us. We've got one fish in the boat, a nice big thready, and hopefully we can get some more in. Anyway, do you like the new hat? Little Cobra with a custom logo. How cool is that? Rightio, let's hit that intro and let's go catch some fish. Righto. Rightio, so it's been a little slow today. Got a couple of Threadfin Salmon halves on fire. Me, Zero, and Nidge, fuck all as per normal. And you can notice the Nidge because, as per normal, it's in a rod holder and no one's holding on to anything. So it's classic Nidge. Yeah, very well Nidge. You've done a great job today. You did get a bite and you dropped it. So a little bit disappointing in your work ethic, but other than that, we're going okay. Halves? All good here. Nice. Got to catch up to him. His two threadies in front. I'll switch around and show you what he's got. There you go, a couple of beautiful threadfin salmon. That first one in the morning was the big one. That was a beauty, that one. That's a nice big fat fish. That one's not too bad. Still a decent fish, but not as good as that first one. That's a gem. But yeah, not too bad for the day's effort so far. Still plenty more fishing to come. Alright, a little fish finally. Doesn't look good, might be a tarpon. But it's a fish in the boat. I'm very happy. Nidge. Fuck you, Nidge. Nidge, still zero. I am looking down the barrel of having to fish in a boat, and you've got fuck all on the boat. Poor effort, Nidge. Harvey's not happy with you.
I like your new hat, Ash. Talk me through it.
Yeah, well, you know, a Cobra. Sun smart, getting old.
Did it come with a tiger thing on?
No, I had to put that on there, mate. Yeah, it's a tax write-off. Thank you, tax man. Even though you don't give me anything back.
Oh, almost went in. What do we got here, Ash?
I think you said it might be a little tarpon. It's not jumping or anything.
It's fighting hard for a little fish, mate.
I have had a few beers, so maybe it's bigger than I think. It's not jumping or anything. I don't think it's a Barra.
Nice if it is.
I'll take a little Barra.
Any sponsors you want to thank while we're here?
Yeah, I will thank Off Grid.
We don't need to thank them anymore, but that's all right.
But that's all right. They've done us good in the past. Fish in the outdoor world, Ronnie.
Yep.
Ronnie, me some lures. And maybe one of those Yeti, because I think they were going to give us one of those big 110 litre bags. For the
You got a snag or what?
I don't think it's a snag. It's definitely still going.
Have you got your drag on?
Yeah, there you go.
Because what I seen wasn't impressive when it came out of the water, but...
No. So, it's coming.
Coming?
Yeah. Don't want to give up. Maybe a foul hooked it.
Maybe.
Maybe it's one of those blind fish.
We're 2 minutes in, Ash.
2 minutes in, he still hasn't jumped, so it's definitely not a Barra.
No. It's giving up.
Whatever it is, it's enough. At least it's not a foul hooked catfish. 45 minutes.
Had an audience for that one too, didn't you?
Yeah, that was pretty bad. Catfish. Sharp. What's that?
Salmon. Blue salmon.
Blue salmon. Oh, blue salmon. Nice.
What is it?
Blue salmon, I think.
Blue salmon?
Sounds good to me. Those clippers there.
Do you humanely put it back in, or what do you do?
Yeah,
how do you do it?
It's a bit small. Okay, look, just give me a hot tip. Nidge is now driving. He's just put his rod down. Just pan around to our driver Nidge. Nidge, how's your day going? Was that Nidge? Autopilot. Righto. Well, Nidge, looks like you've been replaced by a computer and you're doing about the same level of fishing quality as you. Well done, Nidge. Hi, buddy.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have. Yesterday we could be ourselves, didn't have much but nevertheless we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have. Yesterday we could be ourselves, didn't have much but nevertheless we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, I always knew we could do so many great things. So believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing. So hear me out. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, all the way back home.
and amazing sunset. How about a big bad Dewey? Nice work, Harvey. Absolutely mignon. Look at that bad boy. Nice.
Nice little sunset.
Oh yeah. Oh boy, Dewey. Thanks, buddy. Good work, halves. We're just about to dump over. Just got our first Dewey, and we're gonna see if we can get one from drop in to go. Harvey's on fire, so I'm just here to back up Harvey. Oh, you got him in. It's only normally when you drop one, isn't it? How's that sunset? Holy bundy. Oh.
Quarry?
Nibble, nibble, nibble. Come back. Wonder if he baited me already. Might have been done, halves.
Done already, mate.
I've got a nibble, nibble, and that's it. Oh no. Had a nibble one. Oh, there's a bite. Come on, hit it. A little more, Mr. Dewey. Come on, suck it in. Yep.
Got him?
Yep. Oh, yep, got him. Yep, that's a Dewey.
I reckon we're going to get the double hooked up, mate.
You reckon?
Nah, I don't reckon.
Reckon's the only one there.
Well, I'm trying, but going to have to give you in a minute. Dewey?
Yep. Oh, no. Oh, is it? Yeah, no, Dewey.
Right, hang on. What him?
There you go, mate. Woo! Oh. And that's the sound of the Dewey. Oh, is that what it is? Nice. That was a pilch today. Was it?
Yeah. Really? What you got there, Ash?
A little Dewey. Not little, because I'm now sober.
Is it,
Yeah,
is it a
good Dewey.
good fight?
Oh yeah, very good fight.
Alright, we'll measure him up and report back.
I know.
side.